Hello friends, today we have to study about the drilling machine by use of the sequence circuit. We have to continue in design of hydraulic circuit in a part 10 and the continue with the sequencing circuit. In previous lecture we study about the furnace door for open and close of the furnace door and also give the motion for workpiece go inside and outside of the furnace. Means that we have to work DAC in a both direction in a sequentially. In this video lecture, we study about the how to wash drilling machine and also draw the hydraulic circuit for drilling machine. Here the operate two DAC in a sequence in both direction. The last session our video is a also same name to operate two DAC in sequence in both direction. Here in this lecture or design of hydraulic circuit also a same name to operate DAC in sequence in both direction. But our previous lecture is a to operate furnace door and here the circuit for a drilling machine. The working output from the furnace door and drilling machine are different. Let's the required number of component we can list out 2 DAC as per the requirement for draw of hydraulic circuit for drilling machine. 2 DAC as per the name mentioned to operate 2 DAC in sequence. Second name is second hydraulic component is required two sequence valve because of we have two operating 2 DAC in both directions. So required two sequence valve. Then after required one 4 by 3 or 4 by 2 DCV. As per the explanation you use the 4 by 3 in specific types open center, closed center, tandem center or regenerative. We can use these types of the direction control valve in a hydraulic circuit. One required hydraulic power pack. It contains a 3 hydraulic component, hydraulic tank, hydraulic pump and motor set, and one pressure control valve by the specific of pressure relief valve. First, we start the how drilling machine work. We draw the base simple diagram for drilling machine. First, the one require the drilling tool. It's give the drill into the workpiece. So its require motion is a vertical motion up and down position. Secondary thing we required a one workpiece below the drilling tool. This is the workpiece and movement for workpiece is a horizontal motion. Here required one horizontal motion. So require another DAC. Here required another DAC to give motion inside and outside to a workpiece in a horizontal direction. Both DAC are required in operating in both condition or both direction for an vertical up and down movement and for an horizontal left and right movement to give the workpiece motion and vertical for an drilling motion. To operate these both DAC required two SAC means that required here one sequence valve means required one sequence valve and here required second sequence valve means two sequence valve are required to operate both DAC1 and here is a DAC2. This is place for a job and here this is a drilling tool. This is a drilling tool to operate in a vertical motion by DAC2. This both SV1 and SV2, sequence valve 1 and sequence valve 2, are operated by one 4 by 3 DCV. Here we have to use 4 by 3 direction control valve. It's required. Then after required one hydraulic power pack to operate this drilling hydraulic circuit. HPP means hydraulic power pack. It's contain a one pressure relief valve, one hydraulic pump and motor set, and one hydraulic tank is required. This is the base diagram to operate the drilling machine. Let's we have to start to draw the drilling machine. First we have to start the drawing for drilling machine in a bottom side of the hydraulic circuit. Always remember, draw the hydraulic circuit from the bottom side. First draw HPP, then after 4 by 2 DC, then after 2 sequence valve, and then after 2 DAC. First we have to draw hydraulic tank. Here we draw hydraulic tank. Then after required one hydraulic pump and motor set. So here we draw hydraulic pump and hydraulic motor set and connect with both. Then after require one another component for first we have to complete the hydraulic symbol for the pump. Inside give one dark triangle. It means that it's mentioned a hydraulic side. Then after required one pressure relief valve. So here we draw one pressure relief valve. Give one side by operating spring give one arrow to know as a variable type pressure relief valve and one bypass line. Here give one bypass line. Then after require 4 by 3 direction control valve. Let's have to draw 4 by 3 direction control valve. In first position, give parallelly in and out position for direction control valve. And the last position, give cross in and cross out condition for direction control valve. In a mid position, give any type of the operating condition. Here I give the close condition for direction control valve in a center. The one side given by operated by spring as per the explanation give the operating by any pilot condition solenoid operated foot operated cam or follower operated, we can follow that condition. Here I give the one side is operated by spring and secondary side give the cam or follower operated. Is the drawing completed for 4 by 3 direction control valve. Then after required two sequence valve. Let's we have to start the two sequence valve. For a sequence valve, always draw the arrow direction in a side of the square block. One side give operated by spring. Both valve give operated by spring. It means we can vary the pressure limit as per the required users. This arrow direction mention that the valve is in a variable condition. For a sequence valve, one check valve is attached with this. To give here is a one check valve. And also attach this check valve parallelly to sequence valve. Here give the input and output condition for check valve. Here the check valve first give the out from this position is called as a output 1. Then after complete of this output, it's give output from its secondary side. Also give the for the output for second sequence valve is 3 and here give name as a 4. The second output for second sequence valve. Give one the bypass line for both sequence line. Then after require 2 DAC double acting cylinder. Last we have to start to draw 2 double acting cylinder. Here we have to draw 2 DAC. Here draw the first DAC. Here we attach the one tool holding point, and also give one attachment of tool. The red mark known as a tool. Then after give the work piece or job. Here I give one workpiece to require drill inside the portion. Another cylinder is required to horizontal motion. Let's go to draw another cylinder for here to give motion in a horizontal direction. This is the two double acting cylinder, two sequence valve, 4 by 3 direction control valve, and one hydraulic power pack. We complete the all drawing for the required component to draw the drilling machine hydraulic circuit. Then after we have to connect the all hydraulic component with hydraulic line. First we have to give this is the fix jaw. Here is a fix jaw. Here is a drilling tool. Here is a workpiece or job, and here give one movable job. Give the arrow direction to mention all the component. Here is a movable job. Here is a job. Here is a fixed job, and here is a drilling tool. Let's we have to start to connect the whole hydraulic component with hydraulic line. First, the hydraulic pump and motor set are connected to hydraulic tank. Here, the hydraulic pump motor set is directly connected to hydraulic tank. Also, one pressure control valve is connected parallelly to hydraulic pump and motor set, and the output from the pressure relief valve is connected to hydraulic tank. Then after the oil pass from pump motor set to direction control valve in a first position, and another output from the direction control valve is connected to a hydraulic tank. Here is output from the direction control valve is connected to a hydraulic tank. This is the drawing called as a hydraulic power pack. This drawing one pressure relief valve, one hydraulic pump and motor set, and hydraulic tank called as a HPP. Then after the hydraulic oil pass from direction control valve to first sequence valve. Here give the name for sequence valve 1, and here is a sequence valve 2. First sequence valve are connect. Here the first sequence valve connect to SV1. SV1 means sequence valve 1. The oil pass from the direction control valve to sequence valve and sequence valve to bypass, and bypass to it directly connected to a cylinder 1, because of we have to move job inside the point. So each line are connected to cylinder 1. Here required first motion is there. First motion is that means we move the job go inside the fixed place, so can arrange inside the workplace. Then after the complete process of this cylinder is a extended condition, and extended condition are completed, the oil pass from the first sequence valve and oil out from the this second point from the SV1, and the oil pass from SV1 to pass into the second cylinder. Here is a give the name for cylinder 1, and here give the name for cylinder 2, C1 and C2. The completion process of extended condition in a cylinder 1, then after oil pass from the second position of the SV1. Here the oil pass from SV1 to the cylinder 2 for an extended condition. Here the oil pass from SV1 and pass into the cylinder 2. At this time, the cylinder C2 move in a downward direction, which that's called as a cylinder C2 in extended condition to drill the workpiece. This is the first motion for first SV1. Then after the second motion are connected with the SV2. Let's we have to draw the connection for an SV2 sequence valve 2. The direction control valve is connected to SV2. Here you connect the line for SV2 from direction control valve. In the first position, this oil pass from the sequence valve SV2. First, we have to remember in the first condition we give the C1 for go inside the fixed jaw, and cylinder C2 give the downward direction to drill the job. Then after the next position, first we have to remove the drill tool in a upward direction. We have to remove drill tool from the workpiece to upward direction, and then after we move the movable job in a left side direction. So the drill tool is operated by first, so that the SV2 line is connect to C2 condition. So this line are connect to cylinder 2, because of we have to require first remove the drill tool from the job, and then after move the movable jaw in a left hand side direction. Here the complete process of retract in a cylinder 2, then after this SV2 second port are operate. Here the point 4 is operate after complete condition retract condition of cylinder 2, and these lines are connected to cylinder first to give the motion in a left side direction, means it's move back and release the workpiece or job. Give the name for the all component parts. Here connection is connected to hydraulic circuit A, and here the connection is B. The oil coming from here is a pump P and return into the tank T. Here the give name for a hydraulic pump and motor set is M. For SV1, sequence valve 1, sequence valve 2, cylinder 1, cylinder 2 is a drilling tool and working place. Here is the pressure control valve and the specific type of pressure relief valve. Here give one connection is connected to a cylinder C1. So here give the name 1. So we can easily understand where the oil pass. Two oil pass from the cylinder at this point. So let's give name as a 2. The 3 point is connected to a cylinder at this position. Give the name 3, and this point is a 4. This is the complete drawing of drilling machine to operate two DAC in a sequence on both direction. Just we have to start the movement of both direction control valve and both double acting cylinder with sequence valve. First, the hydraulic oil pass from the hydraulic pump to the direction control valve and direction control valve to sequence valve first. Here is a sequence valve is work with one pressure limit. So first in condition sequence valve are not operate, the bypass line are operate and oil pass from this way to here. At this condition this cylinder 1 is operate in a right hand side direction and give the job inside the workplace or move job inside the workplace. This is the first condition or first position. Then and then after this cylinder give the complete extended condition, and then after here the 2 point from the sequence valve first is operate, means the oil pass from the sequence valve. Here the oil pass from the sequence valve and pass into the cylinder C2. At this time, the cylinder move in a downward direction to drill the workpiece or job. This is the working in a sequence. First, we have to move the job inside the workplace and then after give the drilling tool or drilling operation in the job. This is the first operation for the first sequence valve. Then after the operate sequence valve 2. After the completion of drilling process, here the oil pass from the hydraulic pump and motor set to direction control valve and direction control valve to sequence valve 2. Here this position for the sequence valve is some pressure limit is there. The oil is first time not passed from the sequence valve because of the some pressure limit is there. The oil is freely passed to bypass line or 3.2 cylinder in a second cylinder in a bottom side. At this point the cylinder retract and move piston cylinder arrangement into the upper direction. So it's called as a remove the drilling tool from the workplace. Here is a drilling tool. We remove from the workplace and this assembly of the piston cylinder arrangement move in a upward direction up. after the completion process of cylinder C2 in a retract condition, then after the oil can flow from the sequence valve under the hydraulic pump motor set, and this oil pass to line 4, and line 4 is attached to a cylinder first, and this cylinder first move in a its retract condition, and also it's give free movable space and move in a retract condition, and Joe goes into the backward direction and release the workpiece. This position, this arrangement or piston cylinder arrangement move in a left hand side direction or backward direction and release the workpiece after the completion of drilling process. Then after the next job we can attach in the drilling point and work from SV1. SV1 means sequence valve 1. This process are go continuously and repeat condition, and drilling machine are work. Most of the sequence valve work in any circuit to give the operation in sequence. First, one cylinder are operate and first cylinder are operate in a extended condition or any retract condition after it's complete its extended or retract condition, and then after second cylinder are operate, so we can call as a sequence valve. If you to require one or more than two operation is required, we give the number of sequence valve in a circuit. Here for the drilling machine 4 by 3 DCV only required 1, but sequence valve required 2 because we have 2 operating 2 DAC. So that's the required 2 sequence valve. Also we have to remember that this both DAC work in a both side direction. So it's compulsory to give the 2 sequence valve. One also remember thing, give the always bypass line to any pressure control valve, like as a here is a sequence valve, give the one bypass line, and here is a pressure relief valve, give one bypass line. Next thing is that any type of the direction control valve give the both side of the operating condition. Here I have mentioned the first is a operated by spring and another side is operated by cam or follower. Otherwise you can also use any foot operated, pedal operated, pilot operated or solenoid operated you can give. If the explanation mentioned that the use the direction control valve by pilot operated for this circuit, here you can remove this cam operated and give the pilot operated symbol in both side of the direction control valve. Also mention the here the one position of the direction control valve is a one connection connected to a pump P, another connection is connected to a tank T. Upper side of the connection for the first position of direction control valve is A and B. A and B are connected to a hydraulic circuit. Here for the sequence valve, one is connected to a cylinder first in a extended condition, give the both side name 1, so we can identify the hydraulic oil pass from first position to here is in first point in a cylinder C1 and 2 is passed to a cylinder 2. Always give the hydraulic line name but never give the arrow direction to any hydraulic circuit. Always remember that never give the arrow key for any hydraulic circuit. Symbol itself say hydraulic flow path. Here this triangle said that the hydraulic flow path is this point called as inlet and this point called as the outlet. Here for the pressure relief valve, this point called as the inlet and this point called as a outlet. Hydraulic symbol also say itself what is the flow path. So never give the arrow direction in any hydraulic circuit. This is the complete drawing for operate two DAC in a sequence in a both direction, otherwise say as a drilling machine. In examination also question is draw the hydraulic circuit for drilling machine, not mention that two DAC required, two sequence wall is required. That's we have to remember that how many hydraulic components are required to draw the drilling machine. Okay, thank you.